the elevator here at South Shore train station in East Chicago, Indiana. One, close door. It's my friend Todd. We're together.
What's up?
Alright, here we go. Watch this. This is a cool elevator. And we're gonna go back to 2, where we're gonna wait for a train coming to Chicago. See? Look at that glass.
What do I do? We go to Water Tower Mall.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Water Tower. We're gonna go to Chicago. Here we go. We're gonna go up. You ready? All right.
So, peace out.
All right. Peace. Here we are. There's the train station right here. So that's it.